How to delete or dismiss a poke on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the search bar on top of your screen and in the search bar type in pokes and then tap on the pokes option you see there. Once you have opened the pokes tab under the friends you poked tab, you will be able to view all the individuals that you have poked. So in order to delete the poke, simply tap hold on their profile name and make sure not to simply tap or not to tap the messenger icon either. Just make sure to tap and hold the profile name and you will see the option for dismiss poke at the bottom. So tap on the dismiss poke option you see there, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on dismiss again, and with this, that particular individual's poke will be dismissed. Alternatively, you can also do this from your settings. So tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Further, scroll down to the Your Activity page you see there and then tap on the Activity Log option. Here, tap on the Your Activity drop-down and scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for Other Activity drop-down. So, tap on the Other Activity drop-down and then tap on the Pokes option you see there. In this particular interface, you will be able to view all the pokes that you have made. So simply tap on the poke that you want to dismiss or delete and then tap on the remove option at the bottom, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on remove again, and with this, that particular individual will be dismissed from your poke list. So this was about how you can delete pokes on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.